The Perplexity AI can be used to transcribe audio into text, and the result is actually pretty accurate. I have done some testing on various subjects such as people's name, brand names, a story, and even medical terms, and it does quite an exceptional job. So I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Perplexity AI to transcribe audio into text and some best practices that you might want to follow to get to the best result. So first, you can navigate to perplexity.ai and then you can log in with your account, and you can also use the mobile app version because this feature is also available in the mobile app version of Perplexity. And then you can tap on the attach icon, and then you can select the file from your device, from your smartphone or computer, and then you can tap open. Now, before I'm showing you the next step, I just want to give you a quick context that I'm using this audio that I just generated using Eleven Labs. So this is the original text. You can see that it's just containing some popular brand names, and I'm going to just play the first few seconds of this audio just to give you a quick preview.
Today's technology leaders include Huawei, Xiaomi, and Asus, while luxury brands like Hermes, Givenchy, and Bulgari define fashion excellence.
Alright, so that's basically how the audio sounds like. I think it's pretty clear, it's high quality. Now, after that, in Perplexity, you can provide a simple instruction like, please transcribe this audio. This audio, and then you can select the model. You can use any model. I think they are pretty accurate, but my favorite model is still Claude 4 or Sonnet. And you can also enable access to the internet if you want to, but it is completely optional. Now, after that, you can send a message and just wait for the AI tool to convert the audio or transcribe audio into text. And this is the result. I think it is pretty good. It is very much accurate. But maybe one problem that I think is easy to spot is this is not exactly showing me the accurate text letter to letter, letter by letter from the original text. So if you look closely on some brand names, like for example Asus, it's not stylized properly. The actual brand name actually uses full uppercase like this one, but Perplexity, or in this case Claude 4 or Sonnet, is unable to consider that. It's still accurate, but the style of the text is just a bit different. Now, if you want to get the most accurate result, you might want to tweak the prompt a bit to get the best result. So I'm going to create a new thread again on Perplexity, and I will upload the same audio file. Okay, now I'm going to be using this very long AI prompt that I just prepared especially for this video, and you can check the full prompt in the video description. And by the way, it is also quite possible to put this whole prompt into a space in Perplexity, so you don't have to manually copy and paste this every single time you want to transcribe audio, and I do recommend to use that. Now, I'm going to be using the same model again. I use the same settings, same everything. Send a message, and you'll see that this time around, it will give you a much more accurate text based on the audio, based on the brand names or even the people's name. As you can see, it does follow the styling of the brand, also some accent mark like here, and also, yeah, overall, it's pretty good. It's very much accurate, and I think that is much better than using a simple instruction like please transcribe this audio. So go ahead, use this prompt in Perplexity to transcribe audio into text accurately. Again, the full prompt will be available in the video description. Anyway, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.